Ariel? Clear.
Doing it all for the thrill. I'm doing it all for the thrill. I'm doing it all for the thrill. You know I'm loving it, like you was real. Doing it.
So this is Ariel's Sb165, 2019 I believe, or 2020. Yeah, 2020. It's got a Fox 36 fork on it, factory, 180 mils of travel. It's got a Renthal bar, and it's got Yeti stems. I think it's a 40 mil stem from the way it looks. It's got dropper post, Kashima transfer. I believe it's 152 as well. It's got race face cranks. It's got an XT drivetrain with a 50 tooth cog. It's got acid guy 2.5 in the back. Wide trail also, 3C compound, and it's got a DHR in the front. Interesting combination. This one is a 2.8 in the front, and it's got DHX2 Fox coil in the front. He's running a 400 pound 2.65 stroke. Got, of course, the Switch Infinity link in the bottom. Shimano chain guide. Renthal bar. XTR brakes. Very nice.
Thank you for that bike check, Dan. And the owner, of course, Ariel, the man. We did a bike check on his bike too before. It's Santa Cruz high tower. Yeah. Right. I hope you like this video, guys, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the future more bike check. Peace. Let's go. All right, guys. Okay, stay safe. 11 na Dan. Okay, let's do it. Stay safe. Ano ba yan? Following a rail? Woo! Always crazy. This is where I almost lost my control. That part, and the first part too. So, this is where the sit part is. Okay. Nice and controlled. Barely. There we go. I'm not used to this brake, you know. First time getting this straight line. Nice and sweet. Alright. Nice, nice. A very safe run. Right, Dan?
Yep.
A very safe run. Not too fast, not too slow.